Hey guys, before we get to the video, please click that subscribe button. Hey guys, Joshua Griffin here, serving the Middle Peninsula and the northern neck of the great state of Virginia, and wanted to do a video on the Honeywell T10, so you can kind of see that. And this model hasn't been out that long. I mean, maybe a year or two. It'd be kind of cool. I've actually only ever unboxed one other one, and that was a while back, so I'm not sure what to expect as we unbox this. But rather than doing what I normally do, which is a super long video and all of that, instead, I think with this guy, we're going to do a series of videos. We're going to break it up a little bit. So this video is sort of just the unboxing, and so you can kind of see what it looks like. This particular model, now I don't know if all the T10s do this, but this particular model also comes with a red link room sensor there, and you can kind of see what it looks like there. It actually looks kind of nice. I've always been a fan of Honeywell, for those of you that don't know. In comparison to some of the other brands out there, they always seem to, if nothing else, put out a reliable product. Have I ever had issues? Sure. I don't think any of them are completely issue-free, but for the most part, they've always been overall pretty good. We don't have a whole lot of issues. They don't always have the bells and whistles that some of the other brands have and some of those things, but they do seem to always be a little more reliable. Every time we've tried to dabble and play with, installing a few other brands or something like that, it's never gone well. So we always end up back installing Honeywell thermostats. So here it is. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Here's our box. We're going to open it here. And the thing about the Honeywells or the Residios is their new residential version brand or whatever. A lot of them are coming with the same back plates. And almost to where you could just install one plate. There's kind of what the escutcheon looks like. That's what I call it. The kind of the display or the the cosmetically pleasing escutcheon or plate that goes around the thermostat. So it's kind of in the packaging there, but you can see what that looks like. And then this is that little wire plate that I was talking about. It's similar with all of their models, recent models, to where you could probably almost just pull one off and not even change the wiring and pop a different one on. We've got the thermostat here. That's what that looks like. And that's what the back. I'm not going to show you all the info because of all the craziness today. Somebody will steal the serial number or the MAC number for the internet or something, and and then it's not valuable to me anymore. It's actually a decent looking little thermostat. It's a little bit smaller than my hand, and it's not a bad looking thermostat. So the thermostat looks like it's only hardwired, or at least this particular model, you can only hardwire it. And it does come with a couple batteries, but I think they are for this room sensor. And so that's what the room sensor looks like. And it just kind of pops on the wall there. So yeah, so that's kind of what that looks like. I'm going to do another video where I'm actually going to install this on a wall. And you can kind of see what it looks like lit up. But you can already see from this picture, I mean, it's not a bad looking thermostat, So the Honeywell T10, you should definitely, watch the next video. We're going to decide, how good it is. I'm sure it's going to be good. Anyway, if you're in our area, give us a call. And if you're not in our coverage area, check out my new website. Before you spend thousands, check out newhvacguide.com, and we put all kinds of information on there to help you make a educated decision and also, go through the process of buying a heating and air system. I've even put stuff on there that a lot of manufacturers and contractors don't even want you to know. I'm putting it on that website. I've got a whole page called No-Nos, stuff to stay away from. So check out that website, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.